In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a song using AI on Filmora 15. That's means Filmora 15 create for you a AI song instantly. First, I open Filmora on my MacBook. Then you can see this audio button. Then click on here. Then this is AI audio. Again, you need to paste a prompt. Okay, I have a prompt paste. Now click on try free. Then you can see it's already working and 24% done, so I'm waiting few seconds. Okay, my song are completely created and done. I need to just drag and drop on my timeline. Click on view. Okay, just keep it in here. I delete this part.
Every corner holds a ghost of you, a technicolor breaking through, and the silence is a symphony, playing out different tragedies. A single wilderness, built it up just to.
This is a fantastic song. You can use it anywhere. Then go to export, then download as a MP3. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you again.